this is Sony. Hope you all are doing great. Welcome to my channel Gardenwood. I am behind the camera. I wanted to show my recently what I am working on. It's a project of my windowsill. So I really wanted to create a windowsill garden. So hope the camera is catching. Let me. Okay, this is the closure view. Okay, you can see there is a money plant. It's a simple golden pothos which I am training upwards throughout my window. It's a big window sill and it gets ample of light. And today's video will be about all my recently purchased plants. I'm purchasing few indoor plants. Okay, let me come straight there and let's talk about my recent project. I'm really excited. Hey friends, okay, um, where I was, yeah, I was like, I'm working on my new home. The viewers who are new and who don't know, my name is Sony and this channel is about all plants and garden. So recently I have got my own home where I am Miss, I'm totally overwhelmed about the light, about what I really wanted. It's a very small apartment, but I think there are so much scope to um, to give my plants a new home, to give my plants the new environment. So my old plants all are acclimating in my balcony garden. If you haven't seen, then please go and see my old videos where I am showing my old plants. They are doing absolutely beautiful. They are thriving. So in this video I had purchased many new plants. All are indoor plants, none of them are flowering plants. I am working on my recently I am working on this window. We have got yeah, three big windows in the whole apartment. So this is my living room, and this area it's quite a big window from where we get evening light. Sunlight means around 4 to 5 o'clock we get the sunlight, as well as there is ample of light throughout the day, and which makes me like crazy about going and getting new plants to create a new all new setup altogether, a small cozy window garden. So this is my window garden where I am sitting right now, and yeah, so let me show you all the plants. Let me bring one stool to keep all the plants which I had purchased for this window. There are two more big, huge plants. I mean, really, they are very huge plants, and I spent like anything. I had spent so much. I'm like a crazy, this time, but it was worth, and it's making me so much happy. So let's start the plant haul. Okay, first I'll bring the tool, and it's raining heavily, very heavily, and I'm craving for a black coffee, so I'll grab one coffee and a stool. Till then, be there. So here's my coffee, and here are few varieties of plants which I had bought multiple in the sense I had bought this fern. It's a asparagus fern. I had bought 6 pieces of this, and maybe for my other new projects I'll be requiring more of these. These are little baby seedlings. So once they get mature, they'll just, in the window I wanted to add some good greenery, soft lacy type things. So I think ferns go really nice. And I didn't picked up actual original fern. Actually, these ferns are not the original ferns. They are not ferns. They belong to a different family altogether, a different family. So these are asparagus family, but they act like a fern, and they give a very lacy, very delicate feeling to any garden. So I really wanted to make this space very cozy, a little bit delicate, a little bit enchanted sort of, with some bold leaves, with some lacy fern. So what I am projecting, uh, I think it's gonna take too much of time, but I hope it gets. So this is my first plant, asparagus fern. I had bought 6 pieces, and they will go trailing like this from the window. So for example, I am keeping this in my window. So when it gets matured, it will go like this, and it will get more dense. So it will look really nice from the inside as well as from the outside when I'll go for walking. Now it's raining, so I'm not going for walk or jogging nowadays. I'm sitting at my home and having good time. Okay, so I forgot to tell about the pricing. This one I got it for 58 rupees. The pricing seems very different from the local nursery, because 58 is not something which local nursery price. It gets 50 or maybe 60 round of figure. But I picked these plants specifically from a from a nursery which is um, specializes in landscaping, specializes in vertical gardens. So you may find the price might go a little bit more, but I really wanted a good quality plant with good quality soil. So the soil they prepare is really nice. They make so many cocoa chips, then orchid bark, then other so many materials, which is really nice for the plant. Um, Second reason from purchasing from this seller is I really wanted to visit their nursery, their outlets, how they have created, and it's really really beautiful. Friends, if you live in Pune, please do visit Biophilia. They take big projects like they create gardens in airports, in metro stations. So there are so many. I mean, they create those lush green, what you call, vertical spaces. So I really wanted to visit that space, that place. So and I think these are quite good for 58 bucks. So yeah, I think in local nursery, the price might be 40 to 50. So maybe there might be 10 to 20 rupees more. Also, it's not about the only quality of plants. Quality of plants you can get in the local nursery, but I really wanted some big plants as well. It's not only these plants I had bought. I really wanted to get few specialized planters for my home, which I was not getting in the local nurseries. So I went there to get those special planters, which I'll be showing right now. Okay, so this one 6 pieces, these type of ferns. Second one is obviously my favorite. It's a pink syngonium. I wanted to create something like bold leaves with some lacy ferns. So this, and it adds color as well, so very soft texture, pink syngonium. This also I got it for 58 with pot. So I think 58 is good price. There is pink syngonium. Pink syngonium I got 3 pieces for my window. This one, it's a bronze color. I don't know the name of this syngonium, but it looks like something bronze type of syngonium, and the leaves, they have got red nerves. It's very beautiful, very pretty, and it also adds a new color. This plant also I got 3 pieces for my this windowsill. All are sitting in same windowsill, so they are friends. I got this little cutie which looks so special, with so many speckles of pink, or you may call splash of pink. So this one has got 3 colors, that is milky white, pink, and greenish color. Like I'm so happy to show you. Let me show you, close the camera. Is it catching? Yeah, it's catching. But the light is not so good now because it's raining and it's so gloomy outside. But you can see how beautiful the speckles are. Look at this leaf. It looks like half moon, half pink, and white with pink splashes. So every leaf has got so different what variety, that I'm really mesmerized with this plant. I really wanted to get more, but I have got only one. There was only one available, and this plant was 70 rupees. Others were 58, and this one was 70. She is also sitting on my windowsill. Happy, happy girl. Okay, so these plants are for here. Let me show you the two big mommies. They are very big, very nice, and they are making my space so lush and so tropical. I'm loving it. I have to maybe I'll rotate my camera because they are very big, and she is sitting just here. So the plant which I'll be talking now, she is sitting opposite me, and she is getting the whole indirect light, and whole day indirect light with maybe 1 to 2 hours of sunlight when there is sun. Now it's gloomy, so she's not getting sunlight, but she'll get 1 hour of sunlight for sure. So let me show you. Okay, friends, so I really wanted to show you uh, my nice big huge girl. She is my uh, pretty China doll. This plant is called China doll, and okay, it's quite heavy right now. She is very big, almost at the size of me, and you can get this plant in the local nursery, but I cannot find a very huge plant, a huge specimen plant for this one, and I really wanted a huge specimen plant for my home, not only for decor piece, but I really wanted to feel like a jungle. So everyone is telling me you are making your home jungle, but I really don't mind. I really want to make it like a jungle, like I'm living in a jungle. So this plant, she is beautiful. She has dark lush green leaves. Maybe I don't know if it's catching on the camera because the lighting is not perfect. It's a very gloomy day, and I don't know. Let me show you from there. We okay. Mm, okay. So you can see the leaves. They are very shiny. They are very dark green, very beautiful. And this planter has got four. I had counted four. Oh yeah, yeah. Okay, so four mature China doll plant, and I think the price was really good. Um, Price is I think how much I paid, 1200 something, maybe 1300, round of 1300 for this plant. And if I was getting a seedling, not a seedling but not so mature. Okay, hold on, let me put this down. um, the plant which I had asked in the normal local nursery was for around 400 for one single plant that was this much big. So I really wanted a mature, big, lush green plant. I'm not yet decided that I'll be splitting or I'll be dividing this plant. I really want to make lush green. Whole happy family. I mean, she's looking so happy, and I'm loving to see all the plants growing in one pot. I'll be giving this big pot, this big planter I had bought. So these kind of planters I really wanted to have in my home. I don't know if it's plastic or something, but a sort of, but it doesn't feel like plastic. Resin, um, I don't know. I really don't know what resin, or maybe I'm not sure. So these type of planters, they don't have holes in the bottom. You can get a planter with the hole, but I'm not planning to uh, directly plant this plant in this planter. Actually, what's my plan is uh, to be in to get her acclimated in her own pot and sit in this decorative planter. So whenever I water them, it won't spill on the floor. The water won't spill because that will be collected in this one. I'll be filling the bottom with charcoal or maybe leca balls, so that they don't get root rot, and it can sit on the leca balls or the charcoal. And yeah, so it will look nice. And even when I go for vacations, there is a reservoir where I can put the water, and she won't get um, she won't get dried up. So that's the plan. And this planter, how much I said, I don't remember. I think this planter I had given 600, and 600, I think so. Okay, a lot of work. Mm, I'll be reporting them with a bit of in a bit larger pot once these plants gets acclimated. Now my second big plant, which I really wanted to show, is there in my balcony. I bought her for balcony only. So let me get her and show you. So second planter which I had bought is this. I'm I'm feeling hot in this rain. So I'm running around my home to get everything because I had already set up, and I'm moving all the big plants and big planters. So yeah, so this planter is again a decorative planter which I had bought from them, and this is for around 15 or 1600, 1689 or 1589, something like that. The material is really good, which will last for decades. And it has got very means the depth is very too much. um, the planter looks really it goes with my interior, because my interior has some gray and woody look, gray, wood and white. So these three colors are in I have used in the interior. So it really goes with my home interior. My plants are looking really beautiful, and my plants will be really happy in this planter. I won't be putting my plant directly in this planter. My plants will be in the nursery pot, and this planter will be acting as a reservoir. I'll be putting some brick pieces. You can also use brick pieces, but that will make very heavy. The planter will be very heavy for you to move. So I'll be putting leca balls. You can get leca balls in Amazon. So I'll be filling the leca balls till here, this much, and uh, whenever I'll water, the water can go down the leca balls, and my plants can also suck water from the leca balls as well. So when I'm going to vacations or somewhere else, my plants, I don't have to worry about watering my plants, at least for my indoor plants which I am using. So it's making my life a little bit easy. Okay, so look at her. Isn't she beautiful? She is Philodendron melonii, Melanie or Melonii, I don't know, or whatever you call. And the leaves are huge. The leaves are beautiful. I mean, I just fell in love with this plant. I'm not so much fan of light green color leaves, but this plant, she was something. I mean, look at her. She has so beautiful leaves, and the stems, if you see, is a light peach color, which really gives attractive view. And she has all the aerial roots. She really needs a repot. I'll be reporting them after they are acclimated to my environment. So probably maybe next week or something, whenever I get time. Okay, so she's my last plant from my plant haul last night, and um, how much I paid for her? I think 1100 for this plant, this size plant. And I'm so happy because usually you get philodendron for 3 to 400 in my area. I'm talking about in my area, 3 to 400 for a seedling, and this is a very mature plant. Really nice. I really love this. Okay, let me put down this one, and hope you okay, so hope you loved my all plant haul. It was I mean, it was not what you call I was not set to make a video, but I thought why not make a video today. It's a holiday, it's a Sunday. So I mean, I'm running here and there, uh, getting things, but it's a casual video. We are not here to make something very professional. So I'm not a professional photographer as well. I am a plant lover, and that's what I really wanted to share with you guys, how you are doing and how's your garden doing this in this rain. I mean, I think all the plant lovers, in the rain also, they are very happy. In every season they are very happy because they are just dealing with so many beautiful plants. Yes, there is a struggle to keep them. Few of these species, they struggle a lot. Few plants die, even my plants die. Sometimes I give my all 100% to revive any plant, but sometimes, guys, it's like sometimes it slips from your hand. And okay, that's it from my side. Hope you enjoyed my little plant haul. There will be lots of plant project in my small tiny apartment. um, Join me for those projects. I'll be really happy to see you again in my on my channel. And if you liked, then kindly subscribe to my channel, and we can go through the journey of making my home a jungle. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Have a great day.